Hello, welcome to Art Snacks. Today we're going to draw a side view of a car, and so I'm going to use a straight edge to first establish the ground, or where the ground is in this drawing. Okay, get rid of this little extra line. Okay, now I'm going to draw the two wheels or tires, so I'm going to make a circle. I go around and around until I get the way I want it. Let's get it just right here. There we go. Now up in front of here, I want to make the other one, and it's going to be a little smaller. So this is going to be like a fast car. It's got big wheels in the back and small wheels in the front. On the back, I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle inside the circle. Try to get it to be just about right in the middle. And in the front one, I'm going to draw a circle inside the circle, and this one's going to have a thinner tire, low profile. Darken that up a little bit. Usually I don't darken it to the end because my fingers will smear the dark, but this time I am. Okay, now these wheels are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 little circles, and a tiny little circle on the inside. The back's going to do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a little circle in the middle. Okay? Alright, now in between these, over top of these wheels, we're going to do sort of cut out fender wells. Kind of go like this. This on the front's going to do the same. It sort of overlaps the tire a little bit. This is going to come real close to the ground. Now, in between this one and this one, I'm going to connect them with a line. It's kind of going uphill. Okay, the front of the car, going to kind of go like that. Right? The back of the car, going to kind of go up, have a little bumper. It's going to go up, and there's going to be a curve. I'm going to make this light first, okay? It's going to be a little curve that goes all the way to about here. From here, that curve is going to take off and kind of go forward all the way to here. Okay, there are the two. Now, I'm going to go back from this fender well just a little bit, and this is where the windshield is going to start going back. It's going to go back, and then the other part of the windshield, or the other part of the top of it, is going to be coming this way. The two are going to kind of come together like that. Okay. On the back, it's going to go like this. It's going to get thin up at the top, come to here, come down. A little line here. Okay. Now I'm going to tighten things up just a little bit. I'm going to go in here and just kind of darken lines and go ahead and sort of make it permanent. Now up here at the windshield, I have a part that's coming up like this. Okay, that's for the engine to stick out. It's a big old blower because this is a hot rod or a fast car. Now behind the tires, I'm going to make things dark so you can't see back here. That's underneath the car. Okay, I'll make a little line here. Now we'll do some shading. Now halfway down the car there's sort of a line that separates or divides the car. So I'm going to make it really light at first, and then I'm going to put some shading on that line. It kind of disappears as it goes up. I'm going to do the same thing down here. And this guy, and the windows. A little swatch of shading across here so it looks like they're tinted and you can kind of see the outside, but you can't see inside. Okay? That's our quick and easy hot rod. Cars are fun to draw. Take practice and you have to do them over and over. We're going to do a lot more cars as we go along. See you next time.